The work function of a certain metal is hc by lambda naught when a monochromatic light of wavelength lambda less than lambda naught is incident such that the plate gains a total power P if the efficiency of photoelectric emission is eta and all the emitted photoelectrons are captured by a hollow conducting sphere of radius capital R already charged to potential V, then neglecting any interaction between the plate and the sphere, expression of potential of the sphere at a time t is dash. So the expression for power P is equal to E by T, but n number of photons, so n into E by T, but we know E is equal to h mu, that is equal to hc by lambda. So P is equal to n hc by, this is lambda into T. Therefore n is equal to P into lambda T by hc. Therefore for eta of efficiency, n is equal to eta into P lambda T by, this is h into c. This number is captured by sphere therefore V naught is equal to, we know potential due to the point charge 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R, but Q is nothing but Ne by 4 pi epsilon naught into R. Therefore V naught is equal to, instead of here n, let us take this one, V is equal to, after substituting, this is eta into P lambda T into E by 4 pi epsilon naught R into Hc. But initial potential of sphere is V. Therefore total potential that is V plus V naught. Therefore total potential that equal to V plus lambda P E T by 4 pi epsilon naught, instead of this R Hc. This is the total potential. So here instead of V naught we are substituting this one. Therefore second option is the right option.